In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a no-reply email in Google Workspace. 5 minutes. A no-reply address is useful for sending notifications that aren't monitored, like receipts or system alerts. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a targeted Gmail routing rule in the admin console, so messages addressed to your no-reply mailbox are handled consistently. Before you start, make sure you're signed in as a Google Workspace administrator and that you've already created the mailbox or alias you want to use as your no-reply address. Begin by opening the Google Admin console and signing in with your admin account. From the homepage, head to Apps. Then choose Google Workspace and select Gmail to open the service settings. Inside Gmail, look for Routing. This is where you control how messages are processed before they reach users' mailboxes. Click Configure to start a new rule. Give your rule a clear descriptive name so you and other admins can recognize it later. A name like No Reply Inbound Routing works well for auditing and troubleshooting. Next, set the message direction to inbound. That tells Gmail this rule applies to messages coming into your organization, which is exactly what we want for a no reply mailbox. Now click Show Options so you can narrow the scope. Under the account types, select users. This ensures the rule targets user mailboxes rather than groups or other entities unless you intentionally choose otherwise. To keep the rule precise, choose only affect specific envelope recipients. The envelope recipient is the technical address used for mail delivery at the SMTP layer. Targeting it avoids surprises caused by aliases or display names. When prompted, select single email address and enter the exact no-reply address you use at your domain. Double-check spelling and domain because this field controls which mailbox the rule applies to. Once that's set, click Save to commit the configuration. A few tips as you wrap up. Admin changes can take a few minutes to propagate, so give it a short window before testing. Document the rule name and what it targets so future admins understand its purpose. Send a test message to the no reply address to confirm the rule is being evaluated as expected. If you manage multiple brands or domains, repeat the setup per domain and keep names consistent. And if your organization uses aliases heavily, remember that targeting the envelope recipient keeps the scope tight and predictable. That's it. You've created a clean, targeted routing rule foundation for your no reply address in Google Workspace. Thanks for watching and happy administering.